Okay, welcome to the next lesson. In this lesson, lesson 5, you're going to learn how to grade and return assignments to students. So we're going to go ahead and go to Google Classroom. You'll click on whatever assignment you'd like. You can use the stream or the classwork. I much rather prefer classwork because everything is organized for me. So I'm going to look for the one that I want to grade, this most recent one, CAT counterclaim paragraph. I'm going to click on view the assignment. I'll see 13 turned in and it was assigned to 75. Sometimes kids don't press turn in and that's why it'll do that, but sometimes they just didn't do the assignment. So I'm going to look to see who turned it in. So these students here all turned it in. These did not press turn in. So let's go ahead and take a look. Let's look at this one here. And I can see that she has something attached, so I'm going to go ahead and click it there. Now I'm going to take it back real quick right before I press that. You'll see at the very bottom there's a comment that says private comment. Now I can add anything, great job here, or something like, do you need any help? Looks like you are having trouble. You can also say, thank you for working quietly today. Whatever it is you want to say to the student that maybe you didn't get a chance to say in class. So again, we're going to go ahead and click on her document. And it should be loading. Google really updated this, so it looks really great. But now if you want to look at different students, you just simply click on that drop down arrow. You'll type in their name. And it'll come up. You'll click it and you'll get to that student. So it's super easy to go ahead and do that. So anyway, let's look at Cassandra's, and if we go down, the only paragraph they were supposed to type, because I did all of the other ones, was the counterclaim and rebuttal. So I'll go ahead and grade this one, and if I'd like, I can make any comments. Maybe she needed to capitalize this word here, so I will press P. Now, if you don't want this to happen when you're making edits, you're going to go up here and select on editing. And then when you change a letter, it won't pop up that way. It'll just let you type like you're the owner. But I like to keep it at suggestion because then it helps students see what they need to work on. And it's kind of like using a pen. Anyway, here in the private comment, I can comment which things she did really great at and what she might still want to work on. And here would be the grade that I would put. Maybe she got a 90 out of 100, and I simply press return. I'll go ahead and return this one to her. It will email her and let her know that she got a good grade on it, and then I'll be able to see the next one. Now you'll see that her name will now be on a different list when we go back to Google Classroom. There's a turned in section. There's an assigned section, and at the very bottom, unless it's changed, there should be a returned. Anyway, you can edit by first and last name, or by status, which means it turned in or they did not turn it in. There it is, I'm sorry. So here at the very bottom, you'll see graded, and Cassandra's is already graded, and it'll show the score. And here I can go in and add theirs, and as I click on their names, their document pops up, and I'll do the same process and grading theirs. Okay? And that's how to grade it. And one really cool thing is when you click out of it, you'll see that 13 are turned in, 74 were assigned, and I did one grade. I did grade one of them. So it kind of gives teachers an incentive to see how many they still need to work on. Okay, and that's how to grade and return assignments. Hope it helps.